Let's be honest, grilling should be about cold drinks, smoky air, and perfect steaks, not flare-ups, squishy burgers, or tongs that fail you. Today, I'm counting down 10 genius gadgets that eliminate the stress and turn you into a barbecue hero. We're going from clever to absolutely essential. Here is number 10. Number 10, the grill lights. You plan the perfect cookout, but sunset arrives before the brisket is done. Suddenly, you are flipping chicken in the dark, guessing if that color is char or charcoal. Enter the dedicated grill light. Not a shaky flashlight held by a helpful cousin, but a magnetic, heat-resistant LED bar that clamps directly onto your handle or side shelf. These lights produce a wide, shadow-free beam that lets you see actual browning, fat rendering, and edge crispiness without blinding your neighbors. High-end models offer adjustable brightness, motion sensors, and even color temperature tuning to cut through smoke. Unlike a porch light 20 feet away, a grill light sits exactly where your hands are. Some attach via powerful magnets to any steel surface, while others use counterweight clamps. Battery life has improved drastically. Many run 10 hours on a single charge. The real genius, however, is safety. When you can see clearly, you don't accidentally scrape a knuckle against a 700-degree grate or drop a ribeye into the coals. For winter grillers, this is a game changer. Those short days no longer steal your window. And if you cook on a Blackstone or flat top, a light reveals exactly where the oil is pooling. At under $40, it is the cheapest insurance against burnt fingers and ruined dinners. After one cookout that drifts into evening, you will wonder how you ever flipped a burger by feel alone. It does not make your food taste better, but it stops you from ruining it, which is the same thing. Number 9. The Chimney Charcoal Starter. Lighting charcoal with lighter fluid is a ritual of frustration. The stench, the chemical aftertaste, the moment you realize you poured too much, and now your ribs taste like a gas station. The chimney starter solves all of this with nothing but metal, air, and paper. It is a simple cylinder with a handle, a grate inside, and vent holes near the bottom. You stuff newspaper or a paraffin cube in the lower chamber, fill the top with briquettes or lump charcoal, and light the paper. 15 minutes later, every coal is glowing orange. No fluid, no waiting, no foul residue. The science is elementary. The chimney creates a powerful updraft. Hot air rises, drawing fresh oxygen through the bottom vents, which superheats the coals evenly and quickly. You get a consistent bed of embers ready to dump into your kettle, drum, or offset smoker. What makes it genius is control. You can underfill for a quick sear on 2 steaks or overflow for a low and slow pork shoulder. It also reveals which charcoal brands actually perform. Cheap briquettes will crumble, while quality lump holds together. The safety aspect is underrated. No more dribbling lighter fluid onto a lit fire and singing your eyebrows. Once the top coals show gray ash, you simply pour them out using heat-resistant gloves. Cleanup is tapping out the leftover ash. A good chimney, like a Weber or an off-brand with a heat-shielded handle, lasts a decade. For purists, it preserves the flavor of wood and charcoal without chemical interference. If you have ever tasted a burger that reminded you of a gas station bathroom, you know exactly why this gadget belongs on the list. It is cheap, primitive, and absolutely perfect. Number 8. Instant Read Meat Thermometer. We have all served a chicken breast that was pink at the bone or a pork chop that could sole a shoe. Guessing doneness by touch is an art that takes years, and even then you are wrong sometimes. The Instant Read Thermometer removes guesswork completely. Unlike old-school dial thermometers that take 30 seconds to stabilize, modern digital probes give a precise reading in 2 seconds or less. You poke the thickest part of the meat, and a screen shows you the internal temperature to the half degree. That means your steak hits 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, your brisket reaches 203 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect collagen breakdown, and your turkey never again hosts salmonella. The genius lies in the speed and precision. When you grill over high heat, every second the lid is open loses heat and dries out the surface. A slow thermometer forces you to keep the lid off too long. A fast one saves your temperature and your cook time. Many models now fold into a compact stick, are waterproof, and have backlit displays for night grilling. The real game changer is the programmable probe, the kind that stays in the meat while cooking and connects wirelessly to your phone. But even the $15 Amazon special beats, poking your protein like a nervous detective. Temperature is truth. It does not care about your ego or your uncle's advice about pressing on your palm. Use a thermometer, and you will never dry out a $40 ribeye again. Restaurants use them constantly. Home cooks should too. It is not cheating, it is data, and data makes you a better cook. Buy two, because you will lose one in a drawer. Number 7, grill basket for vegetables and small items. Nothing ruins a vegetarian guest day like watching their zucchini slices fall between the grates and into the fire. The same goes for shrimp, diced onions, mushrooms, or tiny new potatoes. The solution is the grill basket, a perforated metal container with a long handle that holds small items while letting smoke and flame reach them. The design is brutally simple, usually a rectangular or half-cylinder cage that opens via a latch. You toss your veggies in oil and seasoning, close the basket, and shake it occasionally like popcorn. No skewers needed, no chasing runaway peppers around the grates. The genius is batch cooking. You can fill a basket with asparagus and cherry tomatoes, throw it directly over the coals, and shake every 2 minutes. Everything gets char marks and smoky flavor without falling through. High-end baskets feature non-stick coatings. Though those wear out, stainless steel mesh requires oiling, or heavy gauge wire that won't rust. Some come as double-sided grill woks that you can flip over for different heat zones. The handle is key. Look for a heat-proof silicone grip or a very long metal stem so your knuckles don't roast. Beyond vegetables, think about breakfast. Yes, you can grill eggs in a basket if you line it with foil or use a grease cast iron insert. You can also do mixed seafood, diced halloumi, or even toss pasta leftovers. The basket turns your grill into a stir-fry station. Cleanup is simply soaking and scrubbing, but the real win is inclusivity. Your vegetarian friends finally get a main course that isn't a sad, burnt portobello cap. For less than $20, you stop losing half your food to the abyss. That is a bargain. Number 6, cast iron griddle plate. Your grill grates are great for sear marks, but they fail at eggs, pancakes, thin fish fillets, or anything with a runny marinade. Enter the cast iron griddle plate, a flat, rectangular slab that replaces half your grates or sits on top of them. Suddenly, your outdoor grill becomes a flat-top diner station. You can fry bacon while onions caramelize on the side, or toast buns without them falling through the cracks. The heat retention of cast iron is legendary. Once it's hot, it stays hot, even when you add cold food. This means crust formation on smash burgers that would never happen on standard grates. The genius is versatility. One side of the plate is smooth for eggs and pancakes. The other has ridges to simulate grates and drain fat. You can slide it from the grill to a campfire or even onto a gas stovetop. Season it properly, and it becomes naturally non-stick. Compared to a full Blackstone griddle, a cast iron plate is portable, cheap, and stores easily. Downsides: it is heavy, 8 to 12 pounds, and needs careful drying to prevent rust. But for the home griller, the trade-off is worth it. You can finally cook a full breakfast outside without cross-contamination or flare-ups. Use it for smash burgers. Place a ball of ground beef on the screaming hot plate, press down with a spatula, and hold for 10 seconds. The crust is crackly and dark, while the inside stays pink. Try that on grates, and the meat just falls through. Cleanup is a scrape and a wipe with oil. Over time, the seasoning builds a better non-stick surface than any Teflon pan. For under $40, this plate is the single biggest upgrade to your outdoor cooking arsenal. It does not replace your grates. It adds an entirely new cooking method. Number 5, rotisserie kit for kettle grills. If you want to feel like a medieval feast master, get a rotisserie kit. This is a motorized spit that slowly turns a whole chicken, leg of lamb, or even a prime rib over indirect heat. The genius is self-basting. As the meat rotates, its own juices run back over the surface instead of dripping into the fire. The result is impossibly crispy skin and the juiciest interior you have ever tasted. Most kits consist of a rod with adjustable forks, a counterbalance, and a small electric motor that clamps to the side of your kettle grill. You remove the cooking grate entirely, set up charcoal on 2 sides, and place a drip pan in the middle. The spit turns at about 2 to 6 RPM, slow enough to cook evenly, fast enough to prevent hot spots. The difference between a rotisserie chicken and a standard beer chicken is night and day. The rotisserie bird has no flattened breast, no pale back, and no wasted space. Every inch of skin gets direct, radiant heat from the coals, but because it moves, it never burns. You can also do multiple items, 2 chickens, a pork loin, or even a pineapple for dessert. Some purists add a chunk for smoke, which the rotating meat happily absorbs. The motor runs on 2D batteries or a small AC adapter, so you can even tailgate with it. Downsides: setup takes 10 minutes, and you need to tie the bird properly. But once it spins, you walk away for an hour. No flipping, no lead lifting, no stress. Carving a rotisserie chicken for guests feels like magic. The skin shatters, and the meat pulls apart. It transforms a humble backyard grill into a showpiece. And for under $100, that is a lot of theater. Number 4. Grill Rescue Brush. Traditional wire grill brushes are dangerous. You know the scene. The bristle breaks off, sticks to the grate, and ends up in your burger. Someone swallows it, and suddenly your cookout is a trip to the ER. The Grill Rescue Brush solves this with zero metal. It uses a thick, heat-resistant silicone head and a steam clean method. You soak the head in water, run the hot grill, and scrub. The water turns to steam on contact, blasting away carbonized gunk without scratching porcelain or stainless steel. The silicone bristles are thick enough that they cannot break off and are heat-rated to over 500 degrees Fahrenheit. The genius is in the steam. Water expands to 1,600 times its volume when it turns to vapor, lifting burnt food from the microscopic pores of the metal. After scrubbing, you dunk the head in water again and repeat. A clean grate takes 30 seconds. No wire shards left behind. The handle is long and ergonomic, and the head is replaceable. Compare that to a metal brush that gums up with grease and rusts in a month. The rescue brush also works on cold grills. Just add a spray bottle of water, but the steam effect is weaker. The only downside is that heavy, baked-on carbon may need 2 passes. But for routine cleaning after every cook, it is faster and safer. Hospitals actually track wire bristle injuries. They're more common than you think. Do not be a statistic. For $25, you protect your family from a fluke accident that ruins the whole barbecue vibe. Plus, silicone lasts longer than wire. Buy it, use it, and throw your old wire brush into the recycling bin where it belongs. Number 3. Magnetic Grilling Tool Holster. Every griller has the dance. You have a spatula in one hand, tongs in the other, and you need to check the temperature. So you put a tool down on the grill ledge, it rolls off, hits the deck, and now you have grass on your spatula. The magnetic tool holster fixes this by attaching to your grill side shelf or handle via powerful rare earth magnets. It holds your tongs, spatula, fork, and brush upright, within easy reach with no slipping. The genius is workflow. You grab a tool, use it, and stick it back magnetically without looking. No more bending down, no more greasy handles touching the ground, no more fumbling. Most holsters have 3 or 4 slots and are made of heat-resistant nylon or silicone, with magnets rated to hold several pounds each. Some designs include a drip tray or a bottle opener. The real innovation is that the magnets are strong enough to hold tools even when you bump the grill, but they release with a slight twist. You can mount them anywhere there's ferrous metal, the side shelf, the front handle, even the propane tank art on a gas grill. 4 kettle grills with wooden handles. You can buy a separate magnetic base that clamps on. This gadget does not cook anything, but it reduces the chaos that leads to burnt food. When you are managing flare-ups, flipping 12 burgers, and pouring a beer simultaneously, having tools exactly where you expect them reduces stress by an order of magnitude. It is a tiny quality-of-life upgrade that feels stupid until you use it once. Then you wonder why every grill doesn't come with one built-in. For $15, you eliminate the most annoying micro-failure of every barbecue session. And isn't that the point of genius gadgets? The small stuff. Number 2, cordless meat grinder and stuffer attachment. This one is for the serious backyard pitmaster. Pre-ground beef in the store is fine, but you have no control over fat ratio, grind coarseness, or freshness. A cordless meat grinder, powered by rechargeable lithium batteries, lets you grind your own chuck, brisket trimmings, or even venison right at the grill station. The genius is mobility. You take the grinder to your prep table, cube your meat, and grind it directly into a bowl or onto a tray. No cords stretching across the patio. No fighting for an outlet near the wet grass. Modern units run for an hour on a charge and produce 2 to 3 pounds per minute. Most include coarse, medium, and fine plates, plus stuffing tubes for homemade sausages. This changes your barbecue because you can grind seconds before cooking. That means you can make smash burgers from a freshly ground blend of short rib and sirloin, or stuffed bratwurst with your own spice mix. The flavor difference is immense. Pre-ground beef oxidizes and loses its iron-rich, bloody character within hours. Freshly ground beef, cooked immediately, has a brighter, beefier flavor and a looser, more tender texture. You also control fat. Add beef tallow or butter for extra juiciness. The cordless aspect also means you can grind at a campsite or tailgate without a generator. Cleanup is the only chore. Disassemble, rinse immediately, and dry thoroughly to prevent rust. Some parts are dishwasher safe. For under $150, you step into butcher-level control. And the showmanship matters. Grinding meat in front of guests says, "I care about this burger," more than any store-bought package ever could. It is an investment, but for weekly grillers, it pays for itself in superior texture and flavor within a few months. Number 1. Wi-Fi Smart Grilling Hub with Ambient Probe. The number one genius gadget is the Smart Grilling Hub, a single device that monitors both internal meat temperature and grill ambient temperature, then sends everything to your phone via Wi-Fi. Unlike Bluetooth models that disconnect when you walk inside, Wi-Fi works from anywhere. You're watching football in the living room while a brisket smokes at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. If the fire spikes to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or the meat stalls at 160 degrees Fahrenheit, your phone screams. The system includes 2 to 4 probe ports. One probe goes into the meat. Another clips to the grate to measure air temperature. That second probe is revolutionary because most grills have hot and cold spots. Your built-in lid thermometer might say 350 degrees Fahrenheit, but the ambient probe at grate level might read 280 degrees Fahrenheit on the left and 400 degrees Fahrenheit on the right. Knowing this lets you rotate your food or adjust vents. The Smart Hub tracks your entire cook in a graph, so you can see temperature swings and learn your grill's personality. Many apps include preset temperatures for different meats and doneness levels. Some even estimate remaining cook time using machine learning. The genius is freedom. You no longer have to sit next to the smoker for 12 hours. You can nap, do laundry, or entertain guests without lifting the lid. When the meat is 5 degrees from target, the app alerts you to start checking. The hardware is rugged, rated for 700 degrees Fahrenheit at the probe, and a magnetic case that sticks to any grill surface. Batteries last 20 hours on a charge. Yes, it is expensive, $80 to $200. But compared to ruining a $70 pork shoulder or a $100 prime rib, it pays for itself on the first saved cook. This is the grilling gadget that turns amateurs into competition-level cooks overnight. Nothing else on this list provides as much data, control, and peace of mind.